Welcome. Today's video we will be learning how to get a slope-intercept equation from a graph. So, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at this graph and we're going to try to figure out the slope and the y-intercept. And this equation would be the slope-intercept equation, obviously. So, let's do this. So, our y-intercept would be right here. It would be -2. And let's look at our slope. So, for our slope, we're going to be looking right here. And let's look at that. We go down 2 and we go side 2. So actually we don't even need to do that. We go down 1 and we go left 1, meaning our slope is 1. And instead of having a plus sign, we could always do a negative and a 2. That would be our slope-intercept equation from this graph. Okay, our next problem, we would need to find out the slope-intercept equation from this graph. So let's take a look at this. Our y-intercept would be at a 4. So let's write that down and let's calculate our slope. So the next point I see it hit is this 5 right here. Let me do that better. So let's calculate the slope. We go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's just write that down, 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is going negative. So our slope is -4 over 5. Okay, let's take a look at this equation. So, okay, our y-intercept would be a 0. But this question is a little tricky because if we have a 0, then when you have a 0, you don't really need to put anything, right? So before we do anything else, let's just try to figure out the slope. So the next point that I see is right up here. So let's calculate the slope. So it goes up 1, 2, 3, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning our slope is 3/4. But this isn't really the equation because there's a 0, so you erase that and that would be your equation.